my name is Meenakshi. I'm in EKAVEERA Academy here in Alapi today. Training it's going on great till now, and I've learned a couple of things in a very short period of time, as my dear master says. I've just enrolled myself in a 1 month course, and it's almost gonna get over in a day or two. The accommodation and everything has been provided by the academy only. We live quite close to the Kalari. We practice twice a day. I've learned two styles, southern and northern style. And I've learned a couple of things like horse posture. I've learned it is Ashwavadiv, and the elephant posture, the snake posture, and there are right number of things. And what do we call it? We call it Vishmora and Padakai, and number of things are there in the course. The overall experience has been good. I really cannot put it in words. I would want you guys to explore it if you really are interested in it, because that's how, that is the only way to get to know about anything. Once you get into it, that is the only right way.